Hello and welcome to this video guide brought to you by Modern Technologies. This guide is an overview of how you get an Autodesk account and how to download and install your Autodesk software. To keep this video short, it has a fast pace. Feel free to pause if you struggle to keep up. Before the user can use their software, they must be invited by the account administrator. This can be done by logging into the administrative account and navigating to the user management section. Here you will find the option to invite users. Clicking on this button opens a dialog where you may enter the first name, last name, and email address of the new user. Then click on Send Invite. This sends an invitation email to the user. In the admin user list, the user status will now be shown as invited. The user will receive an invitation email at the email address specified by the account admin. In the email, you will find a button labeled Create Your Account. Click this to set up a password for your new Autodesk account. Once the email address is confirmed and a new password entered, you may click on Create Account. This will log you into your new Autodesk account. However, at this point you will notice that you have no products available to you. Once the user has accepted the email invitation, the account status in the user management section of the admin account will change to verified. Click on this user to assign a product. Once the user account page has loaded, you will see a section at the bottom of the page called Not Assigned. Here you will find the products available to be assigned to the new user. Select the product you wish to assign and click on the Assign button next to it. Now you will see that the product has moved to the assigned list. The user may now access their software. Going back to the user account, we can now see what product has been assigned to them. To use the product, the user must now go to the Products and Services section, where they will find a list of available products. Locate the product you want to download, click on the arrow next to the Install button and select Download. This will download an installer file, not the actual product. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click on this installer file to start the download of your product. The product will begin to download and you will see a progress bar indicating the progress of the download. The product installation files are downloaded and saved into a folder named Autodesk that will be located in your Downloads folder. Keep in mind that depending on the size of the product you are downloading and the speed of your internet connection, the download may take a long time to complete. Once the download is completed, you will be asked to open the folder where the product was downloaded or run the installer. Click on Run the Installer and the installation of the Autodesk software will commence. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Thank you for following this guide, and please take a look at the services offered by Modern Technologies.